All right, let's get straight to the point here. This message is directed to our brothers back in Africa, who are expressing various opinions about MrBeast's actions. Let me be direct. Today, let's be honest with ourselves, shall we? MrBeast amassed his wealth through YouTube. This is a crucial point I want to emphasize for those who envision MrBeast coming to Africa, arriving in the motherland to extend help, the kind of help we often hope for from our political leaders. Some criticize him simply because he mentioned Africa. Many foreigners perceive Africa as a country, and blaming MrBeast for this is unnecessary. It's been a while since I addressed my channel, although I've posted random content. However, this issue compels me to share my thoughts, to convey that making assumptions is a mistake, regardless of whether you're from Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Cameroon, Kenya, or elsewhere. These names are mere labels, remnants of a time we'd rather forget. If MrBeast refers to Africa as a country, it doesn't concern me. It doesn't put food on the table. Now he's stepping in to make a positive gesture. Criticizing from the comfort of your home won't change him. This is social media, but I believe some are misguided. If you've never experienced the struggle for water, not just visiting a farm, but living where getting water is a daily challenge, share this video. Maybe it will reach Mr. We welcome him and anyone willing to help back home. I've carried water on my head for over 15 years, fetching it from a riverside, which might be 2 miles away, not in kilometers. Some even use light to fetch water. Speaking on behalf of Africans when you might not be one is misplaced. Don't base it on politics. Maybe someone paid you to voice opposition. Claiming MrBeast is degrading Africans is a statement born out of ignorance. You don't understand. Many of us go to the farm to gather firewood. If MrBeast provides gas pipelines to villages, should we reject it? Some struggle to get firewood as we speak. If a foreigner helps with gas, it's not degrading our politicians, it's practical assistance. Speaking against it is a childish speech and a misunderstanding. I'm ready to welcome as much help as we can get. Let me open your eyes. MrBeast's ancestors might have come to Africa to exploit resources. If you're watching MrBeast, it's a fact. So, criticizing him from a position of comfort due to the struggles your ancestors faced is hypocritical. But now you can speak freely. Consider the people in your village. Anyone against MrBeast, count them. Those who need help far outnumber those who oppose it. Albert is the main critic I've seen so far, but the context is crucial. I'm speaking for the majority of blacks. Look at the North. The situation in the voter region is dire. What do politicians say when they visit? Akufoado's speech won't change anything. If you're in Ghana and think we don't need MrBeast, you're mistaken. I'm trying to connect with him to feed people in the North. I've lived in Yendi and Tamale. I'm 100% Votarian and Ewe, and I know we're living in serious poverty. This is no joke. I've been around teaching and exploring artificial intelligence. I'll leave some links in the description for your businesses. I've transitioned my channel to English, the language of the slave masters, to discuss important matters like this. Now let's focus on the bigger picture. Instead of nitpicking and finding flimsy points to prevent MrBeast from doing good, let's rally together in support. Consider the impact he could make in communities that desperately need assistance. It's time to set aside differences and embrace the potential positive change. If you resonate with this message, I urge you to support MrBeast's initiative for a better Africa. Subscribe to this channel, share this content, and let's spread awareness. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for listening.